Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. As you can see here guys, my iPad, this is an iPad, it doesn't really matter which one. It's a 11th gen iPad, it's the A16 version. And of course, as you can see here, my display is grayed out. Now, of course, this can happen for several reasons, and I'm going to show you how to turn off this when it's happening to your device. So it does look like an old black and white TV, and it's in total gray. Now it can be fixed. So what you can do, guys, go to your settings. All right, so we're going to select the gear icon for settings. Next, we're going to go to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, go to display and text size. As you saw just now, you're going to scroll down. There should be an option around here that says color filters, and it's going to be on. Tap on that. Notice here it says grayscale, meaning that we're in grayscale, and you're going to turn off color filter. So toggle it off. There you go, the color comes back, and we can exit. There you go, the display is back to normal, and that was just because the color filters was on, causing the display to look grayed out or washed out. All right, it happens a lot. It can be turned on in error. So go ahead and share your story as to why it actually was on or why you think it was on. All right, so it's not well known that that's a feature. So sometimes when it happens, people think that the display is broken, but it's not. All right, and hope you didn't went all the way to a repair store, because there's nothing to repair. It's totally a software. It's a built-in feature, but it's not meant to be used unless you know what you want it for or turn it on. But it might be turned on in error. In that case, you might mistake to think that the display is broken. All right, so that's how to turn it off, and do hope that was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.